everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now in today's video we have a special collaboration and it's Tablescape Tuesdays, and this is my favorite time of the week, guys. Now Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this is any color, theme, or style. Now it's what we call freestyle, so unless we have a guest and they get to choose the color, style, or theme. Now, Tablescape Tuesdays is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. Now, as in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette. Now, I'm going to be linking the host down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, because you don't want to miss Tablescape Tuesdays. Now, I decided to decorate my table today in Chinoiserie Chic. I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I put this table together, and I'll be in and out of the video. So I don't even know where to begin. I can tell you that the chinoiserie vase in the back, the vessel, came from the Salvation Army, along with that greenery that's inside of the vase. Now, the tablecloth and the runner came from the Goodwill. The napkins, I believe that was a gifted item. And the napkin rings came from the Dollar Tree. The utensils came from Target. And I have to say the dishes and the salad plate, that came from the Salvation Army. Oh my goodness, this is an absolutely gorgeous tablescape. I love Chinoiserie Chic, and I hope you guys love this video. Okay, so the candles are lit, the twinkle lights are on. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. So I do hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy putting it together for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.